In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a cell in Google Sheets. This is really useful when you're working with important formulas, reference values, or shared spreadsheets where you don't want other people accidentally changing key information. First, open your Google Sheet in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account and that you have edit access to the file. You can only lock cells if you're allowed to edit the spreadsheet. So if it's shared with you, check that permission first. Next, decide which cell or range of cells you want to protect. This could be a single cell with a total, a column of formulas, or even an entire sheet. Click once on the cell to select it. If you want to lock more than one cell, click and drag to highlight the full range, or hold down Shift and use the arrow keys to extend your selection. With the cells selected, right-click anywhere inside that selection. In the context menu that appears, look for the option called Protect Range, or View More Cell Actions, and then Protect Range, depending on your version. Click that, and a panel will open on the right side of your screen. In this side panel, you'll see the range you selected already filled in. You can give this protected range a name to help you remember what it's for, like totals or main formulas. Naming is optional, but it's helpful when you have multiple protected ranges later on. Now, click on Set Permissions. This is where you choose who can edit those cells. You'll usually see options like Only You or Custom. If you want to be the only person who can change those cells, choose the option that restricts editing to you. If you're collaborating and want specific people to edit, choose the Custom option and select the appropriate editors. There's also often an option to show a warning when editing this range. If you don't need a full lock but just want people to think twice, you can use that instead. For a true lock, make sure editing is restricted to the people you trust. Once your permissions are set the way you want, click Done. Your cells are now locked. You can test it by trying to edit one of those cells while signed in as someone who shouldn't have access, or by asking a collaborator to try. If everything is set correctly, they'll see a message that they can't change that protected range. That's all there is to it. You've successfully locked cells in Google Sheets and added an extra layer of protection to your important data.